So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be showing you on the right materials to make a terrarium. So first what you will need is sand, dirt, leaves. Put all of that into a container, add charcoal, and then after you add the charcoal, put all water into it. Pour water into it. Didn't think I was clear enough there because pour water into it. After you pour the water in, stir it up for about 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you should cut it up, and then after you cut it up in the container, you should pour it all out. After you pour it all out, after you pour the water out, you should put the substrate into the container. Grab moss, plants, rocks, stones, and wood. Put all of that into your terrarium. Put the lid on and let it grow. And it should look like the end product that I show on screen right here. Well, you could see at the end or at the beginning, but yeah, still. Hopefully you guys made it through this far in the video, and also thanks for watching. And remember to like, subscribe, and share. Bye. Well, I should have said bye. Bye. That didn't sound good enough. Bye. No. Bye. No. Alright. Bye. No, that sounds. Bye. Yeah, I'm having trouble saying goodbye, but yeah. Bye. See you next video.